Okay, I'm rolling. Hey guys, today I got this model from Hobby Lobby because I miss model building personally, and I personally want to keep going, but things have been chaotic due to weather, you name it. And consider this, models cost money. That's why I don't build them very much. But I'd love to build them. Well, today I'm going to do the unboxing of this Revell 1-48 TBF Avenger, skill level 2. I'm going to get the wrap off of this thing. Well, I'm skill level 2. That's my preferred skill. 3, 4s, 5s occasionally. Depends how much I'm drooling over the model. Let's see. I'm going to take the top off the box. Got your clear parts here. All your clear parts here. All your stuff here. Fuselage, wings. Looking over the decal sheet. Instructions. Not that glamorous, but helpful. Yeah, if I started building this model tonight, I'd be done before you know it. Well, it's raining out, so I don't know what else to do. And you have some marking options here. Ooh, anti-submarine camouflage. That's odd. Ooh, so I gotta read about this thing. Or do you want me to read about this thing? If you want to read it yourself, I'll hold it up, then I'll read it out loud. Pause if you have to. You can pause the video if you have to. I'll let you read. Okay, I'll read it out loud. In World War II, the classic naval battle changed forever. The aircraft became the deadly weapon rather than the big gun. During the war, the workhorse of the U.S. Navy was the TBF Avenger torpedo bomber. It was produced in greater numbers than any other torpedo bomber. It was powered by an R-2600 Wright Cyclone engine producing 1,600 horsepower and could push the Avenger to 300 miles per hour. While the Avenger was piloted by many great heroes in World War II, the most famous was the 41st President of the United States, George Herbert Walker Bush. In a mission over Chi Island, future President Bush was shot down but managed to drop his torpedo before bailing out. He was part of a normal three-man crew, including the pilot, rear gunner, bombardier belly gunner. The TBF could also carry either 2,000 pounds per torpedo or 400 or 500 pound bombs, or an external fuel tank. Correction, or an extra fuel tank. Okay, that's all I got. See you guys around.